If you want to permanently delete your YouTube account, follow these steps carefully. This process will remove your channel and all associated content. Step 1. Sign into YouTube. Log into your YouTube account using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account you wish to delete. Step 2. Access your account settings. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to navigate to your account settings. Step 3. Go to Advanced Settings. In the Settings menu, look for Advanced Settings on the left sidebar. Click on it to access options related to your channel. Step 4. Delete your channel. Scroll down to find the option that says Delete Channel. Click on it, and you may be prompted to re-enter your password for security purposes. Step 5. Confirm deletion. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm that you want to delete your channel permanently. Make sure to read the warnings, as this action cannot be undone. After completing these steps, your YouTube account and all its content will be permanently deleted. Make sure you are certain about this decision, as it is reversible.